Welcome back to my channel again, House. Today, this particular video will show you how to run a mystery quest on Paul. I actually dropped a video earlier. Unfortunately, there was no voice. I didn't know my mic was off, so I had to delete and create a new video. So it's actually very easy. All you need to do is just go to your end section to check your task. Go to limited. You can see you have just 9 hours left for this particular task to be done. You just click on mystery quest. When you click on it, it will say small hint, update to latest version. If your Telegram is not latest version, go to your App Store or your Play Store. If it's Android, Play Store. If it's iPhone, you use your App Store. So I believe mine is actually updated. Telegram. So as you can see, this is my Telegram account. It's updated. That's why it's showing open. So if yours is showing update, try to update. Then the next thing I expect you to do is just turn your phone facing down. Just make your phone face down. Yes, I just did that. I just turned my phone downwards and turn it back up. Then I'll click on the task. Just click on the mystery quest again. So it will show you. Sorry. Just turn it. I'll turn it once again, and I'll turn it back up. Sorry. Okay, I'll close. Think, let me check. I close the poll, then open back. Or if this particular Telegram is not working, I'll just try a different one. I'll click on it. Then I'll turn the phone upside, then turn back up. It's still not working. Then I'll do this. I'll try I'll try iMe Telegram. So let's go for iMe Telegram accounts. So I'm going to show the account. Okay. So we go to Paul, we go to Paul. I'm showing you all the process because I noticed there are people that actually complain. I think they were doing it wrongly, but meanwhile, it's actually not what I thought. So let's switch to ID. Then I'll go here to earn. When you come to earn, just turn your phone upside down once again. Then you click. It's actually still working. Okay. Just trying to see what's wrong. Okay, I need to confirm if sorry, I need to confirm if this IMEI is actually updated. It's updated, so then what's wrong? What is wrong? What exactly is wrong? Wow, so you see, actually it's now worked on the initial Telegram. I think maybe it might just take some time, but it's finally worked here as you can see. But the first video actually made it was so stressless. There was no stress in that. And all you just need to keep doing is just keep trying, keep turning your phone upside down and keep trying it, and it will work. So as you can see, it has finally worked. I wish I have another Telegram account so that I'll try similar things. Let's see if I don't do that. I don't have another account that I've not used. I would have shown you guys, but it's just all you just need to do. It's just for you to just turn the phone upside down. This one is the same account, so I believe it's just yet to be updated. So that's why it's still showing this. So once I reopen it, you know. So that's how to go about the mystery quest. All you just need to do is turn your phone. Just keep trying. If it did not work for the first time, as you can see, I purposely decided not to like pause the video so that you can keep saying what I kept trying. Though you might not see how I turned my phone upside down because it's I'm not recording the phone with another phone because I'm recording my screen. So as you can see, it's already done. So just keep trying it. It will definitely work. Just keep trying. Even if yours did not work, just keep turning the phone upside down and keep clicking on the mystery quest. I believe the claim will come up for you to claim it. Yeah, that's what you need to do, guys. So see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.